house slave.
Yeah, ho, 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 ho.
Hey, Lime, what you got on you? I got that shit on me tonight. I ain't gonna cap you down. No, for real. I got it on me. How much you got on you? How much you got on you? Hey, how much you got on you? It just a 10. Hey, how much you got on you? It's a little 20. How much you got on you? It just a 30. How much you got on you? I blow the 40. How much you got on you? I made it 50. Hey, how much you got on you? It turned it to 60. How much you got on you? It left me to 70. Hey, how much you got on you? It came back with 80. Hey, how much you got on you? I came with a whole. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I wanna fuck me. Hey, how much you got on you? She say I'm hot. Hey, how much you got on you? I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Yeah, this a lot. I got a lot on me. I got a lot on me. But that ain't a lot of me. That ain't a lot to me. Talking about money, money, money. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So, been working on the box Chevy. Get everything prepared on it. So, we got the dyno mat in from Rockville. It's all plastered up on the side walls. I just gotta get it further up that way. So, and then I'm doing the floors as well. So I'm gonna take all the shots, start doing the floors, wrap everything best as I can. So when the subs go in, ain't nothing to worry about. A little sound. So that's without. That's with. Without. With. So everything's going now. Other things I've been working on. So as I do more to the box, I'm pretty much keep everybody updated on what I do to it. We're gonna continue on. So this video ain't done yet. So just giving you a little filler, a little update. I'm gonna take some the 2015, the PPV, get it laid out. That sundown that's in there, that's coming out to go in here, has rattled a lot of things loose. So my pure audio, if anybody remember Miss Pearly, the pure audio 12 that's in it, I'm trying to get it redone and get it put back in. Oh, I get it back so that way it can go into the PPV. So for the box, 4 sundowns, 4 sundown SA12s. So that's what we're doing, and everybody know what amps I run. Or I Fosgate amps all day. So just stick by. We'll continue on as we go. Wiring, I'm gonna redo all the wires, bring new wire in, so that way there's nothing wrong when I do the audio and everything. So yeah, and that's what we're doing. So just keep hanging in. Just hold that thought. Another day, another dollar, another hustle, another grind. Still putting a dynamite in. Got a starter in. Got a new starter recently, so that's in. Contemplating on the wiring on the motor, so I've been taking it a step at a time. But did the bottom part, floors and everything, all the way back. So I'm a dyno mat doing all the floors. The floor in this trunk is actually nice. It's clear, so I'm dyno mat the whole floor. I might leave that little piece of carpet over there or that little insulation. I might rip it. I don't know yet. I might leave it alone and wrap around it. So it might get ripped up out of here, to be honest with you. And then I'm gonna do that upper deck. Get all that taken care of. Seal. Cause you know that's so strengthen that. Go across that. Go across back seat with it. Try to touch everything you can. Same thing. So got more than enough sheets. So it's all Rockville stuff. I got sheets, more sheets. So still got enough. So that's where we are. So I've been working on the homie's caddy. So all taken care of, wired, air ride, audio in it. So kind of been dealing with this on the side, cause that's more of a job for me, make money off of. And then that's making money for this. So kind of gotta focus on my money. So we are right now. So I get everything sealed, taken care of here, and then move on. So where we at. And that's pretty much all I'm gonna do. So everything is currently. I got these little corner pieces right here in there too. So I ain't gonna do it all the way across. So I'm gonna do these right there.
hopefully, I mean, that's well structured to begin with. I could still, but dang, I'll do the outside behind the tail lights. And then, that'll give me more to lay down, really. But everything is, put the carpet back over it. Then do the roof. Get the roof done. I got to put a headline anyway, so might as well go ahead and do the roof over. And yeah. So there we go. So that's pretty much what I got for that. I'm going to go ahead and post a video so I don't lose any of the stuff I got already. And then continue on with everything. So just hold that thought. Well, yeah, I'm going to wrap this video up. My bad. I ain't going to hold no thoughts. Anyway, keep it back until next time. Peace.
Well, slave. Yeah, ho, 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 ho.